everyone, I'm Oxforduni. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm doing my PhD in history at the University of Oxford. And if there is any day of the week that I absolutely despise, it is Mondays, specifically Monday mornings. So I always try to find out ways that will make the Monday mornings easier for me. And having a Sunday night routine, a proper routine, is the way to it. So this is the video where I'm going to show you what I do on a Sunday night to make Monday mornings easier. So as you can see, I'm cooking. So I have decided that I will make the breakfast for Monday mornings beforehand, not the night before, so that I don't have to spend a lot of time cooking, cleaning and doing all of that. For this Monday, I'm making a very simple khichdi. So with whatever veggies I have at hand, cauliflower, green chilies, tomato, I dry roast the grain, and then it's a very simple recipe really. I put some oil, add some cumin, bay leaves, ginger paste, salt, turmeric, put in the vegetables. I give the grains, give them a toss, maybe add a little bit of chili powder, and then add hot water into it. Sometimes I would also like to add some sugar, and then I just let all of that steam, and basically it just is really simple and it gets cooked very fast. Sometimes I would also add some ghee before having, and then while that is cooking in the background, I go to the next task, that is cleaning the utensils, which I do not enjoy at all. I also clean as I go, so that my start to the Monday morning is just on a clean note. I have things prepped, so I clean as I go, and I also wash all the utensils that I used for making the breakfast and for the dinner, all of that. During this time, I love putting up a show or some great music, so that it makes the task easier. I have obviously sped up the video because nobody enjoys watching someone cleaning utensils, but I really wish that things were this fast while doing this. My food is ready. I'm going to transfer it to this bowl and let it cool before I basically put them away in a fridge, and it's all good to go to be warmed up and eaten the next morning. Alright, I'm done showering, and now I'll show you the very simple 3-step nighttime skincare routine that I have. So the first thing that I do is I use this toner from Simple. See what I did there? So I just, because I've learned this recently that no matter what you're applying to your face, be it a serum or a moisturizer, you just need to have a wet, damp base to spread it on. And once I've done that, I'm going to use this niacinamide from The Ordinary. So I have a lot of redness on my face, and I'm very prone to breakouts, and my skin is extremely photosensitive. So I just feel like the niacinamide helps in keeping that redness under check. Also, one tip with, if you're thinking about incorporating niacinamide into your routine, one tip is that you don't apply it during the daytime. Always make sure that you apply it during the night. And even if you are, you're doing it at home when there's still light outside, make sure that you definitely use an SPF. So basically going to lather my face with it. The thing with niacinamide is that it kind of makes your skin feel a bit real. So the thing with niacinamide is that it might not suit your skin, it suits mine, which is why I use it. This serum has 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc, and it just really suits me. But please do make sure that you don't put anything on your face without a patch test at least. And the last and the final step in my skincare routine, once the niacinamide kind of sets a little, is moisturizer. I also decide on the clothes that I'm going to wear to work next morning. So I'm going to wear a basic black kurta, leggings, and this really nice dupatta. It's just started raining outside, and I have a few final steps in the kitchen that I need to do. You already saw that I put the egg to boil. Now all I'm going to do is put the khichdi in the fridge and some other stuff which I've actually already done, and I forgot to switch on the camera. So I ordered this chocolate cake and custard for eating, obviously, which I couldn't eat. So I'm just going to put it over here so that I can have it, just warm it and have it tomorrow morning. I'll show you this. So I ordered custard and chocolate cake, which I couldn't eat. That's it. So the final step of my Sunday night routine is probably my most favorite step, and I think is very important. So I reply to a few emails, do some work, and do a bit of journaling, which I always find very therapeutic. I jot down everything that I need to do on the Monday. Do you have a similar habit? Do you journal? Do you also have a Sunday night routine? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. It always helps, and I'll see you soon. Bye.